There is a lot of misconception there that, if you start using Claude Code or if you configure OpenClaw, you become a builder PM. I think the hype is right because this is the first time people see that they can manage their calendar, they can delegate work to other party, or they can just say things and it just happens. But AI, my I've been in AI for the last 10 years and build things all along. I think just knowing the layers or understanding how these things work is the first step or of building these things. And for me, I start my journey with, and obviously you talked about a lot of tools. So will start my journey in first understanding these concepts. So I will start in an earlier day, I will start with something like TensorFlow or PyTorch and understand what a model is or train a model and then inference a model. In the new world, in the agentic AI, I will start with something like an A10 and then go and say, hey, okay, what is an agent? How it interacts with model? What is a model? What are the limitation of it? What is memory? What is tools? And maybe I can just show you if it's cool. Maybe I just share my screen and show you because it's not very hard to learn these things in an A10. And A10 has done a good job, to be honest. Uh, Maybe it's an obsolete tool in building workflows now with Claude Code, but I think it's still an amazing tool to learn.
If you've been enjoying this episode today, Mahesh's classic whiteboard style, his awesome labs and demos, then you will love Mahesh's cohort-based course. It has amongst the highest reviews on Maven, and I challenge you to go check this yourself. His courses are always rated 4.849. That's because of the 13 years in big tech at Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta. He's actually built the things. He's not just talking about it. And his course, everybody I know, my mentees who have taken his course have had a positive opinion of it because it is so interactive. You get the first principles that you're sensing from the podcast today. The coolest thing about his new course, Building OpenClaws and with Claude Code, is that you get a Mac Mini. So take advantage, use the discount code that I have below in the description. So you get a discount on his course, get your Mac Mini, better yet, get your company to pay for it. He's gonna teach you not just how to become a builder PM, but he's gonna be in the trenches with you. As he said, he will even give you AI PM interview advice. So it's an all-in-one course to becoming an AI builder PM. Check that out on the link just below, and back to today's episode.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.